All right, let's go have some fun and take a little spin in a 1968 Corvette T-top coupe. It's a big boy though. It got a 427 in it. The 390 horse version, which is a single 4-barrel. Still plenty of power for a lightweight fiberglass car. Originally this came with a turbo 400 automatic transmission in it, and now it's got a upgraded 700 R4 transmission, which is a 4-speed automatic. Pretty cool. You can get on the freeway in this thing. It's got a 308 Posi-Traction rear differential, so cruising on the highway is like no big deal. Pretty cool. They only made 1,155 in this color. It's Cordovan Maroon. I think the least they made were black, but this is such a nice color. It's got the early cast-centered American racing wheels on it. This thing goes good. Pretty comfortable too. Interior's in great shape. It's got factory gauges, you know, factory tack. That's about it in this. No power steering. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes in it, and it's got power steering, and it's got a luggage rack, and that's probably about the extent of the options. But a lot of big block cars, they didn't want a lot of options. They just wanted them scarce, you know. Less weight, more power. But the 68, first year of this body style, completely different car than the 67, obviously. They just look completely different, and they got a nice look to them. 427's got the hood, the 427 hood with little scoops in there. Kind of a dead giveaway. I think the LT1 might have had the same style hood. But everything works real nice. It's got the original wood wheel. This shifter's a T-handle. It kind of looks like a stick shift, but it's kind of neat. The upgrade was nice with the automatic. It also has a custom auto sound stereo in it. Oh, we'll go up here and we'll take some more pictures and some more video. Let you get a look at it. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here in this really cool 1968 Corvette 427 Coupe. Big block. 427s were great motors, man. That was back in the day. That's what you wanted to see under the hood, was a big block with some chrome on it. This one's got an automatic transmission, like I said earlier, updated 700 R4 overdrive. 4-speed automatic, so a little better on the fuel economy. Not that that's what you care about when you got a big block. But, you know, it's got power steering, it's got 4-wheel disc brakes, nice interior, nice paint, Cordovan Maroon. One of 1,155 Corvettes painted this color that year. Kind of rare. Made a lot of Corvettes, and that's a limited amount for this color. So it's correct. Again, matching number engine, differential's original, transmission is not that big of a deal, but it's kind of like driver quality investment here. I'll show you the interior. Pretty nice. No rips or tears or anything like that. The interior's in good shape. The dash is very nice. Door panels are in good shape. These things kind of get beat up a little bit over the years, but it's got the custom auto sound stereo. So with Bluetooth, so you can like play your cellular cord here, plug your phone into it, play your tunes. A lot better than a CD player or anything. Got a little fire extinguisher. Got the wood wheel, removable T-tops. And this year's the year that you could take the back window out, so you got like a target top. Feels like a convertible. Pretty neat. Good looking little driver. All right, here's the power plant in the 68 427 Corvette. Like I said, matching numbers. It's got original exhaust manifolds on there. It's got the Winters aluminum intake, the low rise, so everything fits under the hood. This has an updated aluminum radiator. Kind of nice to have because big blocks can run hot if you're stuck in traffic or anything, and this one does not. There's your dual master, power steering. We'll go ahead and fire this bad boy up for you. All the gauges work and everything like that. All the vacuum stuff like the wipers and the headlights, that stuff works. Pretty important. Just stock though. Other than that transmission and the wheels, good looking little car. Sounds good too. You know, it's got the dual exhaust. Get a little rumble back here. It's a Corvette after all. We got a license plate too. If you live in California, you can have it. Tough 427. Well, if you have any questions about this car, give us a ring. Come out to Simi Valley. 818-591-1313 is the phone number. Address is 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. We offer some financing. We take some trades. We can ship it. A whole lot of stuff we can do for you if you're interested. Thanks for watching.